with Butterboy, during our meeting, we're really certain about one thing. Yung products namin dapat black. So black drink, black bread, black etc. So we started brainstorming, ano ba yung mga black? Diba? Black Oreo comes to mind. Blackberry, black sesame, activated charcoal, the usual materials that will result to black item. And then activated charcoal, we scratched that off our list kasi ayaw namin yung feeling na grainy yung item.
But you had it in your cupcake.
No, there's no.
What was that? Okay, that's it.
That's a secret. Yeah, but no activated charcoal. Yeah. So all items na we have, black siya, yes, pero it's not activated charcoal. Yun nga, because we wanted to steer clear of the feeling na grainy yung food. Tapos, we just came up with, bakit hindi na lang black sesame? Why, diba? Kasi it's not a common flavor for a croissant. Tapos, even the usual sesame is not a usual flavor, diba? Sabi namin, let's try black sesame croissant. Tapos, with Oreo naman, I think that's one input that we had. Kasi when you say black na dessert or something sweet, na kilala ng lahat, Oreo yung unang may isip. Actually, we still have one flavor left. Now, in collaboration then with Butterboy, that's another one naman na medyo nandun sa savory side. So, itong dalawa is on the sweeter side, and then another one sa savory side. Ayun. Ano pa ba? Yun, we've had discussions with them kung ano yung possible flavors, what would fit yung croissant na texture, kasi of course not all flavors would fit, and then we resulted to these two. And then we've had, actually with Butterboy, just to share lang, they're really, as in, over the top, quality, talent, iba. Kasi we've had one tasting lang, okay na kami. Wala na masyadong, very minor change, more on the looks lang. Pero yung one taste lang, wala na, okay na kami. Sabi namin, okay, let's do this na. So, just to share lang din, no? I think our first tasting was first week of April. After the Holy Week, second tasting, yung chinek lang namin yung appearance. Tapos yun na yun. So, ganun lang kabilis with them. Iba talaga when because they have the talent, diba? Yun. So, I think we were able to communicate and to really merge the ideas. Kaya, ang bilis na so,
how about the drink? Dito sa Baristas Convention?
The drink, we made it. So, we did the RE. Here lang din. Same day that we had the first tasting with Butterboy. So, we tried to find something that would complement the breads.
Hindi nyo naman sila din contest yung mga barista.
But I think that's a good idea. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Not yet. So it's just us. We just wanted something new, something that would be interesting, be refreshing. Because we've heard of other coffee shops saying that they have their own signature drink, diba? And we don't want to call it our signature drink just yet. But it's being prepared now, so we'll have everybody taste it, and we'll love to hear your feedback. We like it, so sana magustuhan nyo.
That's great news, and congratulations again. Thank you.